Howdy folks, it's Kristoph out at the property. What I'm looking at is a thunderstorm bearing down on us. It's just fascinating. Got a generator, my extension cord. See what we can get done before the world comes crashing down on us. Yeah, we've been coming out here almost every day, so things look a bit different. Looks like we got some water on the boil. I'm not sure what she's doing back there. So, kitchen looks a little different. The water. Living room looks a little different. Got the screens in. So hi, Lorraine.
Hey.
So I'm watching a thunderstorm come down. Come here.
Oh.
You gotta see this. Now Lorraine is a transplant from Long Island by means of the military. And her first time she saw ever in her life a thunderstorm like this, she had no idea what she was looking at. But since then, she has learned to appreciate the beauty of Mother Nature's majesty. Now, I'm not going to start the generator just yet because I'm not entirely sure that we're going to get to that. Lorraine, you should come here. There's some dust blowing over there. What that means is that there's going to be a wall of dust coming our direction real soon. That's indicative of the leading edge. And that's coming from this monster right here. Yep. So, in case you're wondering when we do the trail riding with my uncle, it's with that Toyota Tacoma right there. Yeah, we're gonna get hit with a dust wall here pretty quick. Like I said, that's the leading edge. It's just there happens to be some open area over there, so there's dust easier to pick up. But here in just a minute, we're going to get hit. And it's going to be fun. Sehr interessant. Muy interessante. You cut yourself, huh?
Yeah, I cut myself.
Lovely. Oh, here it is. It's hitting right now. Woo-wee! Oh, it's not, I expected a lot more. Oh. Well, the introduction wasn't that fabulous, but I can feel it coming. I'm getting hit with a drop or two. That thunderstorm. I mean, meteorologically speaking, it's kind of small. It's like a microburst. Oh, there it is. There it is. You can see the wall right there. That tan patch right there. That's the wall coming. Yeah, you could see it. Oh well. Hearing some ravens. They're probably trying to get out of the way. Oh, wind's picking up. Here, you can see the bushes moving. Alright, so I'm going to go help out patching that window. Matthew's putting a piece of glass or a piece of plastic where a broken window is, so he's already cut himself, so I need to go help out. Let me see your knuckle net. Show again. Oi, sangre.
All three of them got hit.
Nice. All right, so I'm gonna pull out a first aid kit for him, and that'll be it. If you found this at least interesting, like it, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll talk to you later. Oh, look at that. There's that dust wall right there. You can see it. Oh, how fun. All right, see y'all later.